You'll pick a street. Which part that there? Which part that there? Which parish? Which parish there? Which part that there?
Huh?
Which parish? Which part of Jamaica that there?
Mobile.
Oh, Mobile. Okay.
Yeah.
People have to understand. I don't really know. You understand me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We don't understand like that. So that's how you go. So
Yeah.
everything all right though.
Yes.
Everybody like the video you send and the promo video you send.
Yeah.
Yeah. What them say? Sandacan is Rose next man. Everybody has a buckler at a wagwan now. So question then. Your Rose still involved?
Yeah, man.
So I'm not say Rose an expert upon how much live now.
You know him come link me star, but I'm going to my yard and go and party and come home and thing. And go up, party and nice and thing and go home and I'm in my bed and make some real love done.
Right?
Yeah. And it's like, I'm in my bed and go and make some real love and me and I go and do it. Make some good love thing to Japa sleep and know say, boy, Japa sleep and start do my thing. Just start giving some good agony done.
Boom.
Right?
See what it is. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and car. I don't understand the part. You say, you get some good love.
Yeah.
She drop asleep.
Yeah.
And they start get some agony.
Some good
So like-
agony back of that.
So when she asleep, you just
Yeah.
start fucked again when she asleep.
Fuck him, make him a hiccup.
Pussy.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yo, to blood clot. Yo, that was that. I need to give that show, yeah. I need to give it. Them. Then I saw your anger, Rose.
Yeah, man. Oh, real fuck, man. Fuck make him a hiccup.
Pussy clot. That's what you saw?
Yeah, man. I want now all the wicked this year, man.
Okay.
That's why I just take my time and jam out thing all wicked.
And shall I take it?
Burn him.
And shall I take 10 a ball at the same time?
Him ball my scream out, man. Come in and ease up, you know.
So like how she scream out? Different from the E cup, how she sound? Yeah, but me not understand. It's like yeah, got them bad fucked about. She still their own expert. Why? Eh?
Why? I don't know why. Him check me and it's like, you know, it's true that man there. I eat them man they eat, brother. You see me? I eat them man they eat, that's like, you know, I tell you, my brother, because I don't know eat them.
Oh.
He love to eat, so he stay around him.
Oh.
I check me and say, I'm not depend on that. And I'm per business, brother.
Oh.
No gangster in the street, me out.
How long ago you see her?
Eh?
How long ago you see Rose?
Last week, we see him come out. Last week, Friday, brother.
So you ever say expert yet? You know expert?
Yes, man.
So you never have a problem yet when it come to Rose?
No, brother.
Oh. So question then, you love Rose?
Yeah, brother.
How long are you Rosie there with first or expert?
Me, brother, me.
Oh. So how long you and Rosie there?
16 years now, brother.
16 years?
Yeah, brother. When I'm first son, brother.
Repeat it again?
When I'm the first son.
So how much you Rose have?
2.
So 16 years you and I did it, right? You meet her when you have her first son.
Yeah, brother.
So the second youth are your one?
No, brother.
So basically then now, she left you and gonna have a next relationship and get a next youth and come back to you.
Yeah.
Understand.
A long time in back.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
You know? A long
Oh,
time I bad no brother, and us now, you know.
okay. When I really get deep, though, like if a long time in body, you understand me? And that's what I'm saying to you, right? It's something I freeze up. It's something I freeze up, people. Yeah, hello? There's something that frees up,
Yeah,
Sandacan.
man.
There's something that frees
Yeah,
up.
man.
But here may I say,
That's the
tweet, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, you said long time it was bad, but you have to understand this. I know why you fall in the body like and try to discuss our personal life certain way. Don't do it. You get where I come from?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, don't do it.
Never
So,
do that, brother. Never
yeah, right.
disrespect,
Even,
brother.
even say you got some ras fuck is okay, but
Yes, man.
no go further than that.
Yeah, brother.
You get where I come from?
Yeah,
But
brother.
differently then, is a good woman for the round?
Yeah, brother.
So, you miss her?
Yes, man.
Say the one back rose then.
Yes, man. When I cut you, I'll son, I'm going to have I'll buy twice cream going to feed two of the brother. And
But Sunday,
I'm going
wait,
to run the house.
repeat it again?
So I'm going on Sunday. I buy twice cream ground there. I'm going to nobody in the house.
So you do the twice, so you do the next ice cream?
Me eat them, brother. Come in and see us.
Oh, sick killer, you put on extra weight.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
So, a cone you buy or regular ice cream in the cup?
You know, so I big cup one, brother.
Or 2 cup one you buy and go around and say you're not going to sit down.
Big cup one, yeah.
Yeah, so you're not going and sit down and, sit down outside and go and eat ice cream and go and reason.
Yeah.
I go around there and nobody around there.
Nobody around there, brother.
Club, I know the feelings. Know the feelings of family. Fuck up. Fuck up, brother.
Fuck up, brother.
But you ever do you eat a little ice cream, but couldn't eat it? Yeah, because in the day you don't know where she gone now.
You see me, I say?
Fuck up, star.
Why? I'm sure you think that me leave a mother, no father, brother. Hard working man, me king.
Right. People, good night, people. We are 10,000 right now. We are 10,000. We are 10,000, 10,000. Viewers, it's on the line.
Listen me.
Talk to me.
Brother.
Yeah.
Right, let me work hard, my brother. Right now, I need want a stove and a dress and all them sitting there, brother.
You want a stove?
Yeah, and a dress and them thing there, brother.
So what kind of work you do?
You know, it's upon a construction site, the king.
Okay. All right, then.
I'm going to show you a preview, you know, brother.
Talk to me.
Small preview, you know.
Talk to me.
The king.
Talk to me.
I'm going to show you a small preview, you know.
Talk to me.
Hold up your head now. Watch it play. I'm going to show you this. Me do this too.
What's that?
The coconut.
Want to try coconut?
Yes, the boss.
Okay.
Watch me good.
What the fuck?
Thing?
Pussycat.
Watch it play. Watch again. Watch again.
Yeah.
I'll show you again.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Pussycat.
See that? That bit of a living, brother.
When by you that you do for a living? I don't understand you.
Yeah, man, I go to hotel, my brother. Hotel to the call him, can see me talent like that, don't. Look up a wally passion, brother.
So that's the only talent you have right there. What?
Chop all scapper too. Back the scapper. The sampling scapper me chop too.
So you're not afraid one time like it, when you teeth them pull out your head or something?
No, man. Firm and strong, me done.
People, my ask you know, on the live right now, if you even a stove, only can help Sandacan help him out. But how much a stove?
You don't know, my brother. Trust me to God, no know. It's only go hot plate me and my brother go and work with my brother. Only hot plate done. Trust me, brother. Only hot plate, brother. Half an hour diesel, brother. You have to wait long before you cook me done.
Lord.
Where's
of all, if I ask still, you cook first next day.
The one that fight me call was gone, my brother. I think I get stress on them thing, brother. You see me?
People, the panel live right now. Sandacan is here. He might ask. He's asking for a little support. Even a stove. You understand me? You want a stove like, you know them stove there? Many of them stove that probably still that Jamaica. I don't know. I'm just asking. With the two curse there, something about the end part that's still about, one at the side them, I can turn it on and light it. It work off a curse there or something.
One gas one, I have 4 burner gas one, standing tall one them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So people, at least, the man a real hustler. Send what you can send.
Hey, right now I'll be house at me even find me now, brother. Yeah.
People, every little count. All right, when I say guess to the man want to just ask a question. People, every little count. Every little count.
Yeah, listen to me.
Yeah.
But if I do this morning about cover on this one, do a song for you, show me talent in my brother.
You talented like that?
Yes, man.
Chug it. Well, on the people, see the cash up right there, so the zealots right there, and the people is here. Chug it. Send something for Sandacan. Say you can DJ too or sing. Oh, me
I can't sing.
Me watch clippings already that sing one song to Rose, right?
Yeah.
Who sang that sing to Rose? Yeah, who the song that sing to Rose?
Watch me now.
Yeah, I hear you.
I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky. Yeah, for better, for worse, I love you in every beat of my heart, and I swear. I see the question there in your eyes.
Send the money for him.
I was waiting on your mind. A simple sure I know you're all. Cause I stand beside you through the eve. I know I make mistakes. I never break your heart. And I swear.
By the moon.
You see me?
I hear me say to you now.
Yeah, brother.
Like how Rose, they're an expert now, right?
Yeah, brother.
And if you sing a song for Get Back Rose, which kind of song you da sing to her?
Listen.
Think first, you know.
Me don't let it go, give you, man. Me don't let it go, brother. Me not hold up it.
I talk.
The rain is falling, my baby's all alone. I gotta waste no time. I wanna go home. You see me, I say? Yes,
that's
brother,
it.
One more. Yes, man. One well in back, brother.
That's it.
Yes, brother.
Yeah. Send a quick door.
Oh. I get another one, brother.
Yeah, man, that's on the two quick, man. Jesus is whip longer than that. Get a lot longer song than that.
Gospel then?
All right, me a gospel.
All right. My strength will surely fading. Try stumbles left to right. When the sands around now standing, not a trace of hope inside. And the tears are all the raindrops, universe will be flooding down. So Lord, I call you today, please don't pass me by. Hold my hands today, let's fall. Guide my step all the way, please hear my call. For the King, listen, stole the fear now surrounds me. It's feeling all is all I see. Broken dreams of painful memories, the quest forever bound in me. Still I know you stand near me. I so need your hands in mine. So Lord, I call you today. Please don't pass me by. Hold my hand. Hold my hands today.
You didn't know it.
Let's fall. Guide my steps all the way. Please hear my call for the King. Your arms is all I now see. Please walk me today. It's all I ask of thee.
Thank you. People, Sandacan is here.
Yeah,
Sandacan is here. Sandacan is here. People, he need a stove and a fan. If he can't reach to the stove, how much can reach to the fan? Help him out. Help him out. So, me say look at thing what the when we was as a expert a beater. How you feel towards that?
Feel a weird, brother.
So, me ask you now, if Rose call you right now and say she want to come back, you take her?
Might be.
Why might be?
How far you come from, you know? And I might disrespect the eye, my brother. I never beat him like I beat my brother. I build up the show, my brother.
So, expert ever disrespect you yet?
No, brother.
Okay. So, will Rose just take up herself and say she'll leave and just cut left here?
Scott said, I'm going to impose and come back, and she not come back, brother.
Bumbleclaw, Jaja.
Oh.
So, yeah, wait. And can't say Rose will come back with the clothes them. Chano.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yeah, brother. I mean, even I'm mad enough fraud, my brother. But you see me as it, set a way you want. No, Monday night, him left me go in, brother. And I come back, brother.
More Monday night.
I took me on money for him, and just left me and go, brother. No love, no man, brother.
So, on Monday night, she leave it then?
And go gone, brother.
Oh, sick lad. Me know you eat all Monday.
Come back, brother.
Me know you eat every Monday right now. Fuck up. Jaja.
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Chano star. Well, so you go still. Rose. I know. So you try to reach out to her back from for you carry the ice cream around there.
Yeah.
You try to reach out to her back from that?
Yes, man.
And what you say? I ain't get her.
Me didn't get to her because she run our yard, brother.
So what flavor ice cream you carry for her? What flavor ice cream?
Grape nut, my brother.
Pussy. Yeah. Channel Star. What brand grape nut? You have a crazy team. I didn't have something again on there. What brand grape nut?
Yeah.
Who made the ice cream?
A crazy Jim, brother. Crazy Jim, my brother.
How the blood lad? I'm not business. I eat my ice cream too. Nah, that's some crazy Jim ice cream.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
So like when you eat two ice cream, it tears not come in your eye.
What do you mean, man?
Crazy Jim ice cream? Come on, man. Me nah that shit neither. Channel Star, crazy Jim ice cream. We was miss out on something. Why is that?
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Eh.
Cha.
You never make buy him all a phone, brother. You know,
Listen,
you hear me?
listen what I'm saying to you, right?
Yeah, brother.
It say if anybody on the live right now I say nothing for help you,
Yeah.
don't worry about buying a phone.
Yeah.
Buy a stove or your fan.
Yeah.
And that is say you want help for.
Yeah.
So if anybody send any money come, and
Yeah.
send the money come here, you have to buy the stove and the fan.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Because people are using hard working money I send to you.
Yeah.
So we don't go say you're buying a phone. Buy
Yeah.
the stove and the fan
Yeah.
so we can see it.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah, brother.
At least the stove there and the fan there for cool it down because it's in the house hot.
Yeah.
In the house hot.
Yeah, brother.
John was there.
And in the house with me, I was in the star. Be my star, me find him off, me I'm asleep, you know. Me find him off, I'm star.
Are you a fan of the mask of them half a rose?
Yes, man, because I need to them bite, man. You know, brother. Me find him off, brother. I can't be able to see myself on him, man. Me find him off, I'm here. Can't even sleep, brother. He must have my bite, me clap for a minute.
Cha.
You see me?
Cha. Understand what you say. Understand what you say. So,
I know what I this was like my discipline, brother.
don't this, sir.
Nah, discipline, brother.
Don't this, sir. Don't this, sir. Not falling nobody.
My dad, I mean, have no mother, no father, brother. Big man level, brother. I feel it, brother.
Don't fall, don't try this, sir, yeah? You understand me?
I know what I try all them star. I love him the most. We are an expert in love, brother. And I look somebody, brother, because she now move right, brother. I feel my heart, brother.
So you look somebody right now?
Yeah, because she now come to me, my king. She now come to me none at all. I feel it to my heart, my daddy.
Okay. So like you're still awake then?
Eh?
You still await for her to come and she now come then?
And she now come, brother.
Now me have to move on, man. You have to move on. You understand me? You have to move on and just know say I just saw it go. You understand me? So
I know what I never try to show her no bad energy come about no grow up, my brother.
go again?
I never try to show her no bad energy come about no grow up, my brother.
Right.
One brother me have, no brother. One brother me have, brother. I go to church every Sunday, my brother.
Understand, fam. Understand, yeah. Understand where you come from.
See it.
But as I say still, not really follow, you know, it shall violate you, just make you know so the cycle.
Yes, sir.
It shall violate you so you just know so the cycle. Get a man come from better must come, you understand me? A cycle. She move on and you say
You know
She
what's
say go.
that?
Well, Anna,
Listen
you
me.
tell me say. Well, Anna,
Yeah.
man, you say
Yeah.
you say she say she go for some clothes and come back,
Yeah.
and she not come back.
She not
So
come back, brother.
yeah, you know, I'm gonna take her back, and they say she go for one shoes, and she not come back.
At the time, me and I give my time. When you say
Who?
away from me, I'm gonna give my time. Me and I money to give to her.
Okay.
On Friday before me get paid, and she can't wait.
I understand.
COVID-19, things rough, my brother. It's rough with
I
me.
understand. I understand.
Yeah.
I understand, fam. So you have to just go and all out until better
Yeah.
come. You
Yeah.
understand me? So I have the link right now.
Yeah.
Say anybody send any form of money, you don't know, say me go reach out to you and
Yeah.
we make things happen.
Yeah.
You understand me? So when
Yeah.
you big up the people again. Big up the people again.
Yeah. Big up my fans. Big up my fans.
Right. If there's
up
anything
Lava.
out yeah man, big up yourself. There's anything out there you want to say to you want if there's anything out there you want to say to Rose? If Rose I watch right now, you want to say something to her? What you want to say to Rose right now?
Yes, I want him to learn, no, brother.
No, if anything out there you want to say to Rose, what you want to say to Rose?
I appreciate that. I love her, no, brother.
Yes, but myself, anything out there you want to say to Rose, anything out there you want to say to Rose, say it to her. Say it to her. If she watch a program right now, say it to her.
I want the best for her, brother. I want the best for her, see it.
Okay.
And she go want me help her, no, brother. She go want me help her. You see me?
Yeah. All right. So
Love her, you see it. Love her, brother.
still love her.
Yeah, brother.
I understand.
No matter how I can't forsake him.
So everybody was
His space
saying
not
out.
good. His space not good, my brother. I will just see him. His space not good.
So I ask you a question, right?
Yeah, brother.
All right, I get some money for I get some money for you tonight, right?
Yeah, brother.
You get the money tomorrow.
Yeah, brother.
You can go buy the stove and the fan tomorrow?
Yeah, brother.
You sure?
Yeah, brother.
And remember, you have to make a video and thank the people them. You have to show the people them say yes. Then reach out. It's like when you reach out to the people them and the people them know what going. The people them reach out back to you.
Yeah.
So you have to know the gratitude make everybody know say yes, everything is good.
Yeah.
You understand me? And just go on all the faith same way.
Yeah.
You understand?
Thanks.
Only for big up for you, yeah?
Yeah, thanks. Manners.
Big up. All right, only for big up for you. Big up yourself, my brother. All right. Sandacan, big up yourself. It's chat and laugh, the quarantine.